Good morning, everyone. This is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Acura in Grapevine, Texas, and today let's go for a drive in this 2015 Acura MDX Tech. This vehicle has 290 horsepower with 267 pound-feet of torque and a 3.5-liter naturally aspirated V6. Basically the same MDX engine and horsepower torque that's been out for a very long time. This is the second model year of this third generation MDX. You also have remote start. Back then you got remote start on the Tech. You have a 6-speed automatic transmission, and this is before they introduced the button shifter in 2017 with the on the MDX. Reverse camera, IDS, which is the integrated dynamic system, comfort, normal, and sport. However, the gauges do not change color or anything. You have navigation in this tech package. You have the 2-screen setup. This is the pre-facelifted MDX, so it doesn't have the updated one with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. But this car is in really nice condition, this specific one. It has 135k miles and the interior looks brand new. Like, look at the steering wheel. I'm very impressed with the condition of this car. Lane departure warning, you have blind spot alert. This one has super handling all-wheel drive as well. So it's a 2015 MDX Tech SH all-wheel drive. You have a sunroof. So let's walk around this car. This is the parchment interior. And this is I believe this is white diamond pearl. So the pre-facelift had the Acura Shield grille, July LED headlights. In 2017 they facelifted and gave it the diamond pentagon grille. Here are the wheels. You have chrome door handles, chrome trim. Let me walk around real quick and unlock the vehicle. And here are the rear seats. It's a bench. You also have AC controls in the back for the rear passengers. The the exhausts are not exposed on this model, but they became exposed in the 2017 model. Here's the trunk. This is with the third row up. You got some good space back. You got some extra space back there as well. But let's get this car out on the road and see how it drives. And the engine in these sounds so good. The newer MDX doesn't have this kind of, what do you call, sound from the engine. You can really hear the VTEC crossover noise in this generation of the MDX. Sounds so good. Sounds like it has a cold air intake. And the steering on this generation of the MDX is heavier than it is on the newer one. The newer one feels a lot more luxurious, but this one feels more, you know, it feels sportier in a way because of the heavy steering and the engine sound. These are really nice cars, you know. They drive well. Seats are comfortable too. You also have heated seats, obviously, with the Tech. Even the base model had heated seats too, but yeah. Red start-stop button. I like that. That was in a lot of Hondas and Acuras from this time period. It's a 10-year-old car now. And this one, as I said, 135k miles, you will not be able to tell. It does not feel like that at all. It doesn't even look like that at all. This feels like a 50 or 60,000 mile car. So whoever owned this car before took very, very good care of it, that's for sure. It's good to see people take care of their cars, you know. nice sound. Love it. You also have cruise control. It's not adaptive, but you do have cruise control though. And super handling all-wheel drive is so awesome. It's one of the best all-wheel drives. It gives you so much confidence behind the wheel. You can use it in all weather, obviously, and then around corners, super handling all-wheel drive makes an MDX feel like a sedan. It's ridiculously good. Like, Acura knows how to make a how to make an all-wheel drive. It definitely deserves a super name in the all-wheel drive. Especially like an Acura sedan with super handling all-wheel drive drives like it's on rails. We've also got 3 garage door settings, and you also have what do you call the SOS button and stuff. Nice and smooth acceleration, very linear acceleration. Transmission shifts really nicely. And then in 2017, when it was facelifted, they stopped using the 6-speed and they made it a 9-speed automatic. And yeah, obviously these are very reliable too. These last for a very long time as long as you take care of them, do proper maintenance, like this car right here. But overall, that is about it. Thank you for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Acura in the description below if you'd like to shop for very nice pre-owned Acuras like this one.